Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to save Instagram reels to your gallery with music. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and you have to search for the any reel that you want to save to your gallery. So let's suppose this is the reel I want to save it to my phone. Simply you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top and you have to click on it, and now you have to copy link. Once you will do it, go back and open your browser, search for the Instagram reel downloader, and multiple websites will be appear here. Simply you have to click on it and paste that link right here. Now click on the download. Once you will click on the download, ad will appear, close it and click on the download video. Once you will do it, as you can see that reel is downloading to my device. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.